Okay, what I'm going to talk about is DEI Products, Python Viper car alarms. And what I'm going to explain to you is how you can make a feature called SmartStart work your alarm in your car via your phone. So usually how people do this is they'll buy a certain alarm, which you don't need to buy a fancy one because basically your phone is going to do most of the functionality. And when you buy one of these alarms, you can add a feature called SmartStart to the alarm. And SmartStart is a free app. You pay roughly about $90 a year for the service. And with this app, you can do all kinds of fun things like track your car, which I'm doing right now, which my car is out in front of the store. I can go to settings, and if I want to go to alerts, I can put a lockdown mode or speed control. So if you're driving my car, anybody's driving my car, I have it set for 80. So if someone goes in my car over 80 miles per hour, it will alert me via a text. And then how SmartStart works is I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and if I want to start my car, I would hit SmartStart, start my car, and if you follow me out here, you'll hear my car start, which is now running. And this is a little bit newer technology. It works a little bit quicker. So my car is now running. It takes about 6 seconds to start. And if I want to turn my car off, I would hit SmartStart again, and my car will die, and it'll take about, well, it took about 3 seconds. And I can lock, unlock, pay. Anytime my alarm goes off, it'll page me. But this is the Viper/Python car alarm SmartStart, which usually takes in most cars about 4 hours to install, and it's excellent product. Sounds good to me, Tempe, Arizona.
Are you one of those helicopter parents? Are you evil? You want to basically spy on your kids? Well, I got you stuff. I got you covered, dude. This is what you got to do. You got to get this thing right here. It's called the SmartStart. It'll track your kids. It'll start your car. It'll put a geofence on so you know where your wife, your kid, your husband is all times. Dude, it's evil and it's hidden. So what do you think of that? It costs $100 a year, but it's geofenced. It's Directed Electronics, DEI. It's called SmartStart. If you are one of those kind of people that gotta know, well then I got it for you, okay? This is Mark. Sounds good to me. Come see me. Out.